Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can submit your home evaluation in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up your watch menu and then you're going to go to the Developers Guild menu and select this icon, Evaluate. And here where you can submit your home evaluation, this is my best score, and this is the information about the home evaluation. Submit your home and wait for evaluation. Evaluation results will be revealed at 6 on Saturday. Decorate your home, higher scores, greater rewards. Okay, basically guys, you need to put more furnitures in your house, and you need to use a lot of decorations, walls, and bigger house. I think you will get greater rewards. Bigger house, greater rewards. So after you decorate your house, you're going to go to this menu and submit your home evaluation. Okay, this is my current home and I'm going to submit it. I think I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and the result will be revealed in 20 hours 2 minutes, which is tomorrow. Okay, and if you want to know your score, you'll see on your mailbox and also on this menu. But after you get the home evaluation, you'll be able to check it in your mailbox. So open up your mailbox right here. You'll get a message from Bob's for your home evaluation. Okay guys, and that's how you can submit the home evaluation in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.